By clicking on the link, it will give you access to the whole entire platform. You can also download it on your phone and use it on the phone on the go. And so we're loaded up into Europe. This is globally, as you can see, the rest of the world, wherever you are. And let's just go in a little bit. Into here, you can use the search function at the top to search up exactly either your address or a location that works as well. You can also click this big button down below here, and this will give you access to things that are very local. Because I'm zoomed all the way out, it gives me more spots. We've got some beautiful locations around here that you can take a look at and go train. And then, let's say, for example, you live all the way inside here somewhere. And, oh, what's this spot? Nugentsursien. Let's say you're in here and you can see that there are 0 spots in this location. And let's say you found something that's really cool. You can actually add your own. I recommend creating your own profile, and this will be saved into your account so you can use in the future. Once you do that, go into the spot, right click on where you want to add, and then you can see you can add spot here. Clicking on it, it will give you all the information that you can add in automatically. Just make sure you add in images into the gallery over here, because without images, you have no idea what that spot is. So adding that in, give it a really cool parkour name. You can you can be generic and call it white walls or grippy rails, or you can come up with some cool name. Give it a bit of a description on what you could do there and train, and you got these really cool pre-filled out buttons. And so what is it good for, and what sort of the spot features that it has? Low walls, high bars, soft landings, other stuff. If there's any other facilities out there, make sure you put it in just in case. If you want to go out for a big training day, are there toilets? Are there waters? If there's lighting so that you can train at night, everything that is there. With the spot access, make sure you put this in. This is super important. If it's a paid spot, let's say it's a parkour gym or other facility, you can put that in. Restricted means that if it's private property. And so these are one to if you need access or ask someone to be in there. Or public means that you can go there anytime, no hassle. That is either playgrounds or open spaces. Then, once you put in all your information, you can create a spot. And then from there, it will be saved and you can access that anytime and also on your phone. And that is how you use the spot map. It is a very powerful tool that you can use anytime. I recommend taking a look at your local spots around in your area. And if you don't have one, start making your own spots by adding it in, because this is a big program that we're developing and we're helping out globally on trying to create the best parkour spot map that anyone can access anytime, either on the desktop or on the phone. That's how you use it. If you have any information, use the comment thread down below to ask any information on how it works, and we can relay it back to the development team on this parkour spot map to continue enhancing any few features. Get out there, train hard, and most importantly, play differently. Let's go.